Good afternoon. This is Jessiah Voné. I am inspired by the works of Maya Angelou. She's a beautiful artist. You know, uh, Grew up reading a lot of her poetry in school. So thank you for your works. I appreciate it. I titled this poem. It's a small poem. Thank you for letting this caged bird sing by Jessiah Voné. When my back is against the wall and I'm finding it hard to pillow the fall, I find comfort in the things that you can't buy. Like subtle breeze that cools my sweaty brow, the feeling of achievement after a workout, the warming of my chocolate brown skin as I sit in the magnificent sun. An animal feeling comfortable enough to share space, even finally seeing myself as one that in fact does have beauty. The many different songs to play to lighten the mood on even my worst feeling days. An abundance of fresh produce when my personal garden has been attacked over and over again. These things and more I am truly so grateful for, and they inspire me to continue to complete what I set out to do. So I will continue to learn. I will continue to grow. I will continue to morph into the person I was always meant to be and capable of being. So even though I'm not at my end goal, thank you for letting this caged bird sing. I pray we all continue to find our voice. Much love by Jessiah Voné. Hope you're having a blessed day today, and thank you.